Hello viewers, today we will discuss about what is problem solving method in teaching. In a problem solving method, children learn by working on problem, and this enables the student to learn new knowledge by fetching the problems to be solved. The students are expected to observe, understand, analyze, interpret, find solution, and perform application that leads to a holistic understanding of the concept. This method also develops scientific process and skills. This method helps in developing brainstorming approach to learning concepts. In this method, students are given a problem which need to be solved scientifically, and also this method is student-centric, where students should take a very active part. Therefore, problem solving is a teaching strategy that employs this scientific method in searching for information. Now we will see 5 basic steps of problem solving method. Number 1, defining the problem. Number 2, formulating hypothesis. Number 3, testing the likely hypothesis. Number 4, analysis, interpretation and evaluation of the evidence. And Number 5, formulating conclusions. This method is most often used in maths and science classes. The students are given a difficult situation that need to be solved. Having defined the problem clearly, a tentative solution is solicited. The closest scientific guess is then pursued by undertaking an appropriate investigative techniques such as performing an experiment or gathering data through direct observation, and finally they are lead to formulate conclusion. Now we will see the advantages of using this method. This approach is most effective in developing skill in employing science processes. Number 2, scientific method can likewise be used effectively in other non-science subjects. It is a general procedure in finding solution to daily occurrences that urgently need to be addressed. Number 3, students' active involvement resulting in meaningful experiences serve as a strong motivation to follow the scientific procedure in future undertakings. Number 4, problem solving develops higher level thinking skills. Number 5, a keen sense of responsibility, originality and resourcefulness are developed, which are much needed ingredients for independent study. Number 6, students become appreciative and grateful for the achievements of scientists. Number 7, some scientific attitudes like critical thinking, wise judgments are developed among the children. Number 8, students learn to accept the opinions and evidence shared by others. Now let us try to understand it by taking one example. If you ask your student to take a measure the length of classroom, then what they will do? At first they will try to find the way how they can measure the length of classroom. So they will think about the measuring instrument at first, which one will be better to measure the length of the classroom. Then by the way they may able to find out the appropriate instrument. For example, by measuring tape they can easily measure the length of classroom. So then they will start to measure the length of classroom. In problem solving method, instead of giving more importance in the final result, we should, as a teacher, we should give more importance in the procedure that they used in finding the solution of the problem. Thank you for watching our video. For more video, please subscribe and like our channel.